Are you looking for ways to make money online? In today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking to supplement their income, there are numerous ways to tap into the online economy. From freelancing to e-commerce, the possibilities are endless. But one of the most exciting and accessible methods is affiliate marketing. Do you enjoy sharing your passions with others? If you have a hobby or interest that you love talking about, why not turn that passion into a source of income? Whether it's cooking, fitness, technology, or any other niche, there's an audience out there eager to hear what you have to say. By creating content around your interests, you can build a community of like-minded individuals who trust your recommendations. Affiliate marketing might be the perfect opportunity for you. This business model allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. It's a win-win situation. You get to share products you believe in, and you earn money for every sale made through your referral. Plus, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you need is a platform to share your content, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. Imagine earning income while you sleep, all by recommending products you love. This is the beauty of affiliate marketing. Once you've set up your content and affiliate links, your work can continue to generate income around the clock. It's a form of passive income that can provide financial freedom and flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and focus on the things you love. This exciting field is changing the way people earn, and you can be a part of it. With the rise of digital marketing and e-commerce, affiliate marketing has become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. Companies are always looking for new ways to reach their target audience, and affiliate marketers play a crucial role in this process. By leveraging your unique voice and perspective, you can help brands connect with consumers in a meaningful way. Let's dive in and explore the world of affiliate marketing together. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from choosing the right niche to creating engaging content and optimizing your affiliate links. You'll learn how to build an audience, track your performance, and scale your efforts for maximum impact. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, this journey will equip you with the knowledge and tools to succeed. So are you ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on this exciting adventure? Let's get started. Your path to passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly recommender. Think of it as sharing your favorite products or services with friends and family, but on a larger scale. You partner with businesses and promote their products or services to your audience. This can be done through blogs, social media, email newsletters, or even YouTube videos. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The business gains a customer, and you get rewarded for your effort. You help businesses grow, your audience discovers valuable products, and you earn passive income. It's a cycle of mutual benefit that can lead to significant financial rewards over time. To get started, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from fitness and health to technology and gadgets. The key is to select a niche that you are knowledgeable about and that has a demand in the market. Next, you need to find affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your niche. Many companies have affiliate programs, and there are also affiliate networks that connect you with multiple businesses. Once you find a suitable affiliate program, sign up and get your unique affiliate link. Make sure to read the terms and conditions to understand the commission structure and any rules you need to follow. Now, it's time to create content. This could be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, social media posts, or videos. The goal is to provide valuable information to your audience and encourage them to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Track your performance using analytics tools. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to optimize your strategy for better results. As you gain experience and build trust with your audience, your affiliate marketing efforts can lead to a steady stream of passive income. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key to success in this field. Keep experimenting with different types of content and promotional strategies. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously improve your skills. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you can reap. Ultimately, affiliate marketing offers the freedom to work on your own terms and the potential to achieve financial independence. so why not give it a try and start your journey towards passive income today? The first step to affiliate marketing success is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you enjoy discussing? Choosing a niche you love will make creating content enjoyable and authentic, whether it's technology, travel, fashion, or anything in between. Your passion will shine through and resonate with your audience. Section 4. Step 2. Join the club. Affiliate programs await. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to join affiliate programs. Many companies, big and small, offer affiliate programs. Research programs that align with your niche and audience. Look for programs with competitive commission rates, reliable tracking systems, and strong brand reputations. Section 5, Step 3. Content is king. Create, share, and engage. Now comes the exciting part, creating high-quality content. This is where your creativity and expertise truly shine. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the key is to produce content that resonates with your audience. Think about what they need, what they are searching for, and how you can provide it in a unique and engaging way. This could be blog posts, social media updates, videos, podcasts, infographics, or any other format that your audience loves. The possibilities are endless, and the more diverse your content, the better. Each piece of content should serve a purpose, whether it's to inform, entertain, or inspire your audience. Focus on providing value, answering questions, and solving problems. Your content should be a resource that your audience can rely on. Think about the common questions or issues that your audience faces and create content that addresses these. This not only helps to build trust with your audience, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Naturally incorporate your affiliate links within your content, ensuring they're relevant and add value to the reader's experience. It's important that these links are seamlessly integrated into your content so that they enhance rather than disrupt the reader's experience. When done correctly, affiliate links can be a powerful tool for monetizing your content. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to maintain trust with your audience. Remember, the goal is to create a win-win situation where your audience finds value in your content and you earn a commission from the affiliate links. Planning your content strategy is crucial. Take the time to brainstorm ideas, research your audience's preferences, and map out a content calendar. Consistency is key, so having a plan in place will help you stay on track and ensure that you're regularly publishing fresh content. Don't forget to analyze the performance of your content. Use analytics tools to track metrics such as engagement, traffic, and conversions. This data will provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to refine your strategy and improve your content over time. Engaging with your audience is just as important as creating content. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your audience to share your content. Building a community around your content will not only increase your reach, but also foster loyalty among your audience. Celebrate your successes and milestones, no matter how small. Whether it's reaching a certain number of followers, publishing your 100th blog post, or receiving positive feedback from your audience, take the time to acknowledge and appreciate these achievements. They are a testament to your hard work and dedication. Finally, always be looking ahead. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is essential. Keep an eye on trends, experiment with new formats, and continuously seek ways to improve and innovate your content. Remember, content is king. By creating, sharing, and engaging with high-quality content, you can build a loyal audience, establish your authority, and achieve your goals. So, get out there and start creating.